And here you'll see the mound where they've buried all evil things. She wants a break. Hey cow pal, what if I told you your mother was Catwoman? Would you believe me? Would you? Oh, okay, this is what I was looking for, Q. This is where I used to always come to swim. This is my little secret spot here. Wasn't really so much a secret as just a place very few people came to. I would see someone maybe once a day. Yeah, I remember this little tree. I remember sleeping on this thing a million times. Look, ain't got no name scratched in it either. I ain't no vandal. Now you see why I came here. Smells good. Running water. Nice fresh stream. You can catch the fish every once in a while. I ain't kidding. You climb right up that tree and jump out the middle too. And there used to be a rope swing that way. Yeah. So, who's going skinny dipping? To anyone who is offended by that joke, trust me, I smell worse.
You stink and you know it.
You know that.
Let's just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of a natural stream. Sorry, I got a phone call and changed my camera when that happens.
So how deep is this?
Well, deep enough that it'll hurt if you jump in. Land on the rocks on your feet. Looks a little different when the light changes, you know? Hey, don't hit me. He kicked his shoe with the water. You don't have to pay to unlock smiles like this. It's open access. Even the birds are laughing. And now we can hear a jet overhead. That's always fun.
Yeah.
What's up there?
That
Oh, it's Superman!
Oh my god, no!
Those aren't jets, those are crows.
Those are jets, guys.
Those are not jets.
They're from Trump.
They're not from Trump. They're crows. I think.